Hey, it's Tim here again with Expert PowerWash. Hey, I wanted to show you this little shop vac that I bought recently that I'm super happy with. I normally wouldn't make a video about just a shop vac, but let me show you this thing. I mainly use it for window cleaning, vacuuming out tracks and whatnot, but recently it's been pretty handy just using around the garage and in the house. So let me show you this thing. All right, it's a Milwaukee little portable battery powered shop vac. I'm not going to tear this whole thing apart and show you every little nook and cranny. There's probably 100 other videos on YouTube about this thing, but just wanted to show you real quick my perspective. There's a little latch right here. There's a latch on the back. That's so you can empty it. Probably the coolest thing I like about it is just, it's super light, it's handy. Everything is kind of stored up underneath here. So it just runs off an M18 battery. So today I took it out window cleaning. Today was about 62 panes of glass that I did. So it was a decent sized house, but all them tracks had to be vacuumed out, and it was probably had about an hour and a half of continual use on it. Let's hit the battery here. You see that battery is still fully charged. I may be overestimating just a little bit, but I used it for quite a while today, so I don't know the exact time, but I would say about an hour. So it's handy, that just folds around here. Then there's a little hole on the side. And you guys that do window cleaning, this little deal right here is perfect for tracks. So see if I can try to get this piece on here one-handed. Go ahead and shut this thing here. Anybody that follows my channel, just a little bit ago, we just drilled out all these water tanks. So I have all this debris sitting on this flatbed. So it's kind of a porous surface with that Raptor liner on there. So we're just gonna see how this thing does. I've heard reviews on this thing that it's not as powerful as it could be, or the Ryobi's better, or this or that. But I'll tell you guys, I'm a huge fan of Milwaukee stuff, and I'm completely satisfied with it. It does more than what I needed to do. So we'll just hit the power button. It's a little loud. These are all big pieces of plastic. Probably do it faster if I wasn't doing it through a phone screen here, but you get the idea. Works really well. Pretty powerful. Yeah, if you guys are looking for a little shop vac to use around the shop, or you guys that do window cleaning or need something just small, this is a great little shop vac. So hey, hopefully this helps somebody. You guys take it easy.